Hi guys, it's me Hippocorn back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing another slime video. My friend gave me this recipe. Shout out to Brooke, my friend Brooke, for giving me this slime recipe, which I'm going to be showing you today. So, first, we're going to be needing any type of glue. You can use clear glue, Elmer's glue, it doesn't really matter. So you're going to want some of this. Then you're going to want to add some baking soda or borax, or laundry detergent, but I don't have those right now, so I'm just using borax. I'm using baking soda. So add some of that, but you just want a little ahead of time, just a little. Because you don't want to make it more like not stretchy, because you want to have it stretch. Alright, so you can kind of see it's starting to get a little thicker. So I'm just going to keep adding that. I will be doing some game videos in the future, maybe this week, not sure yet. I added way too much water. So you're going to want warm water, a little bit of warm water. So you're going to add that. And then you're going to want to take eye solution. I'm using Walgreens saline solution, which works the same as whatever, like craft stuff or whatever you guys would use. But see, you can see it's kind of coming together right now. And if it's still sticky, you just want to keep adding your eye solutioner. Which mine is totally coming together. Very good right now. Just trying to get it all off the edges. Okay, so we're going to take that out of the bowl. And if mine's a little sticky still, you're just going to want to add a little more of that. So, then you're going to want to add food coloring, or you can use paint or something like that. But I just have food coloring right here. I have green, I have neon green, neon purple, and neon blue. So I'm going to add some of this. Just a little bit. This is a little amount of slime, so it's like a lot. But then I'm going to add a little bit of the purple. Got baking soda in my mouth. Oh, that came out great. It's terrible. It's brown. I'll show you up close in a minute. I have terrible lighting because I'm using my phone because my computer Mac died while I was trying to videotape. So, you know, it's all good. And I had to charge my phone. My phone is on the charger right now. But I'm using it, so. Okay, so this came out terrible, so I'm just gonna grab my other slime. Back. I got the slime that I made this before the video. I was just testing out the recipe, and I actually made a really nice stretchy slime. But if you add just a little bit more borax, you can literally mess up the whole thing, and it'll get really weird. Here's the one that I was just making that I was showing you. It gets like almost like a gum. So I got this one, the one that I made before the video. It's really nice. It's stretchy. It's actually like really stretchy. But I have glitter and I have scents, so I'm gonna add some glitter. You can use any type of glitter because it's just glitter. But I have just this like shiny silver glitter. You know, cheap Crayola. It's all I could find in my room, so. Okay, so. Now, I'm gonna add some scent. This is spiced cider. I have like a bunch. That's how many I have. But this one smells super good. It smells like apple cider, but it's like spicy smelling with cinnamon. Oh, that smells good. It smells like a spicy cinnamon apple. So I would suggest this this recipe. I'll leave a description. I'll leave it down in the description below, the stuff that you need to make this slime. It works very well, but you need to kind of measure the baking soda, otherwise it turns into like a not stretchy stuff. But this was my first one that I made, and it worked really well. But yeah, so I'll see you guys at maybe today or tomorrow. I'm gonna be making a gaming video with my friends and my YouTube friends. I mean, not my YouTube friends, my Xbox friends. But yeah, I'll see you today or tomorrow. Bye.